Hello everyone, this is Yvette from the Kat Scrappiness Design Team. Today I'm going to be introducing the Reindeer Games stamp set as well as the Reindeer Games coordinating dies. Now this is a 4x6 stamp set and there are dies for each of the small and larger images in the stamp set. I've gone ahead and stamped and cut out the images for you. And then to take apart my dies, I do use these wonderful cutters from Kat Scrappiness. And after I've taken them apart, when we have these little pieces left, I just hold on to that piece and twist this. And then that piece I throw away in the trash. Now I know you're interested in the sizes of these dies, so I'll go over them real quickly with you, but I will also list them in the description box below. Now the die for this deer here is 1 1/4 wide from the widest points to 1 3/4 tall. This deer with a gift sack is 1 1/4 wide by 2 1/4 inches tall. The deer here holding this little hot cocoa mug is 1 1/4 wide by 1 3/4 inches tall. The deer holding the little bell is 1 3/8 inches wide by 1 3/4 inches tall. And the deer holding the little gift is 1 1/4 inches wide by 1 3/4 inches tall. Now the little hat, let me flip that around, is approximately 7/8 inches wide by 1 1/8 inch tall. And now for these itty bitty little ones. The little gift box is 3/4 of an inch by 5/8 of an inch. The little candy, 1/2 an inch wide by 1/4 of an inch high this way. The little candy cane is from the widest point, 1/4 of an inch wide and 5/8 of an inch tall. Your little ornament here is 3/8 inch wide by 1/2 an inch tall. Your two snowflakes, the smaller snowflake is 1/4 of an inch by 1/4 of an inch, and the larger snowflake is 3/8 inch by 3/8 inch. Now our holly here is 7/8 of an inch by 5/8 of an inch. Our little gingerbread man here is 5/8 of an inch by 3/4 of an inch. And our leaves with the little ornament is 7/16 of an inch by 11/16 of an inch. Now let me share real quickly a card I made using this adorable Reindeer Games stamp set and coordinating dies. I used for the background panel some of the pattern paper from the Coordinating Reindeer Games paper pad. And then I stamped all the tiny images and colored them and cut them out with the coordinating dies and then just splattered them all over the background of the card. Now I used the little reindeer that's holding the gift because on the front of the card, I used the gift card pocket die. As you can see, you can fit a gift card in there. Now for the sentiment, I did use the Coordinating Reindeer Games sentiment stamps. And it says Christmas wishes and reindeer kisses. I also added some of the green glitter sequins mix to the front of my card. If you haven't done it already, make sure to hit that subscribe and like button on the Kat Scrappiness channel. Also, be sure to check out the links for the products I used in the description box below. Have a great day, everyone. Bye for now.